Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna provide you the promo codes for IKEA.com. So before watching the video, please do like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications on our new videos. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first offer is you can save up to 5% on select products and the code is HEJ5S77PD63T. So this is the first code, and the second offer is you can get $20 off on your order, and the code is IKEAJAN2025. So guys, use this code and get rewards, and thanks for watching the video.